Hi there, YouTubers. My name is Timothy Hartley. I am a science teacher in Canada, and what I wanted to do today is look at the quality of water from our municipal tap water and compare it to reverse osmosis treated water and see what the difference will be using a water electrolyzer. Okay, so let's come over here. We're going to be looking at municipal water, tap water in Barrie, and comparing it to reverse osmosis filtered water. And we're going to use a water electrolyzer, which is this here. And what this does, it puts electrodes in the water and it causes the impurities to be taken out of the water. They're going to become a precipitate that will come out of the water. So we're going to see a visual example of how clean the water is. And I used to do this when I would teach my grade 11 and 12 biology class. I used to do this to show the students. We can in future episodes look at some of the bottled water and see that kind of quality there. But let's look now at the tap water. So take this tap water and fill it in. This is Barrie tap water. I'm sorry about the mess here. I'm going to put some tap water here, almost to the top. Okay, so that's our tap water. And we're going to compare it with the reverse osmosis filtered water. And I have a reverse osmosis machine. This is a Whirlpool reverse osmosis machine underneath. And we're going to compare for 3 minutes using the water electrolyzer and see how they compare in terms of their quality. So this is more of a qualitative observation. Okay, so we put our electrodes in. They're about equally corroded here. And I'm going to turn it on for 3 minutes. Okay, so let's begin in 3, 2, 1, go. Starting my timer. And let's see what happens. Okay, some observations we're seeing now is we're seeing bubbles come in the municipal water. We're seeing that rusty color, and usually that gives an indication of the presence of iron in the water. Now, iron is not bad for your body. We need to have iron in our bodies, so it's not a bad element to have if you have some iron in the water. So that's not really much of a concern. Now notice the reverse osmosis filtered water does not have iron much present in very great quantities there. Okay, that's roughly been a minute. So you can see now the iron is beginning to precipitate out of the solution. But notice the bubbles coming, and we notice the water is getting warm for sure there on the left hand side. Much warmer compared to the right hand side. Now notice at the top, I'm not sure if we can get a shot of this, but you see at the top there's some dark precipitate at the very top of the liquid. It's coming out. So now we're roughly at the 2 minute mark, and you can see now quite a few things are coming out of the water, the municipally treated water, compared to the reverse osmosis filtered water. I'll be the first to say that there are probably a lot of very harmless minerals in the water that are certain elements such as sodium, maybe even chlorine itself, maybe in the water. But there may be other contaminants in this water that is really not good to drink. So one of the first things I did when I moved into my house in Barrie is I had a reverse osmosis filter set up in my house. I really think that we need to think about the quality of the water that we drink and make sure that we drink clean water. And as you can see here, I don't think I would drink the tap water on the left. Now knowing what I do, using a precipitator, you can see that there are a lot of impurities in our municipal water. Well, thank you very much, and thanks for watching, and I hope that if you can, test your own water and see what you find. Goodbye.